In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the account you're using in Google Meet. This is a simple process, and whether you're managing multiple accounts or switching between your personal and work accounts, this guide will help you navigate the switch smoothly. First, let's start by visiting the Google Meet website. You can simply open your favorite web browser and type meetgoogle.com into the address bar, or if you prefer, you could use a saved bookmark if you've got one handy. Once you land on the Google Meet homepage, you're likely eager to jump into your meetings. But before you do, let's make sure you're using the right Google account. In the top right corner of the page, you'll see the Google account icon. It often appears as a small circular image, typically a photo or an initial. Click on this icon and you'll drop down into a detailed menu showing all your currently active Google accounts. Here, you should see a list of accounts you've previously logged into. If the account you'd prefer to use is already listed, simply click on it. Google Meet will automatically switch to this account, refreshing the page to reflect your selection. But what if the account you want isn't listed? Don't worry, setting this up is straightforward. From that same Google account menu, look for an option towards the bottom that says, Use another account. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to sign in with the email and password of the account you wish to use. This step ensures that you're authenticated and ready to jump straight into your meetings. After entering your credentials, your Google Meet page should refresh, now under the new account you've logged into. This process is particularly handy not only for switching between personal and professional settings, but also when managing multiple projects with varying Google accounts. Always double-check which account you're using if you're joining meetings where personalized settings or saved meeting links are crucial. One last tip. If you frequently switch between accounts, consider using different browser profiles or incognito mode to keep these accounts separate and to minimize confusion. With these simple steps, you're all set to seamlessly change accounts in Google Meet at any time. This knowledge will ensure your meetings start off smoothly and that you're always entering with the right credentials. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials.